Today is a remarkable day because I have some friends coming in town and they're gonna see our house for the first time. And what do you do when people are gonna see your house for the first time? That's right, you make it look good, okay? Well, when we moved in, we had these janky looking doorknobs, all right? And I was like, that shit has got to go, okay? So here we are, and I'm gonna show you guys how to change a doorknob because it's so simple, everybody can do it. So first, I'll tell you what you need. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and if possible, a drill, okay? Now, I'm not gonna edit this up, make myself look like a professional. I have done all the other ones in the house already, but that was a couple weeks ago. So I saved this one for last, and I procrastinated just a little bit. So we're gonna get it done right here, right now, and it might be messy, and it might suck, but let's just do it. So, first things, I went to a good old Home Depot, and I bought this doorknob. I like that brushed bronze look. Do you like it? Looks pretty good. And you take your flathead screwdriver first, and you have to find the little notch inside the door and pop off the escutcheon. I think that's what this thing is called. I do work professionally in the construction industry, but I don't work with tools. I'm generally just working with the computer, as most jobs are these days. There's a little slit on the side, and you push it in with the Phillips head, and then you just kind of work the doorknob off. Oh, like that. There are 2 screws here that we need to take out. Awesome. So now you have this. The doorknob is off. Let's get a closer look, shall we? This is what it should look like on both sides. Okay, so this is the part I like to use the drill for. Right here, there's 2 screws, one here and one below it. Okay, now we're ready for the new doorknob. It comes like this, and you just pull it apart and grab this piece right here. You want to make sure the slanted edge is pointed the right way because it's going to go into the door. You can just imagine that when you install this. Now, I'll show you this. The inside has kind of a semicircle, and you line that up with this semicircle. And then grab this one and do the same thing. Just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna take our screws and we are going to attach these 2 screws in right here. And that's it, the doorknob's installed. Really important thing to mention here, guys. Oh, I cracked myself up. I really have done this a lot, but the camera, y'all are making me nervous. So, it comes with 2 screws that I forgot that are right here that you have to put in on the back side of the doorknob. It has it has some holes in it too. So let's try this again, shall we? I like to pull it away a little bit from the door so I can kind of look inside and line it up because it's kind of a small hole that it has to fit right into. Once you find it, start twisting with your fingers. You can push the other doorknob from the back, or the other side of the doorknob from the back, and just keep twisting with your fingers. Once you can't do it anymore, get your Phillips head and just go to town. All right, just like that. Now the door will shut and open, but you wanna also take a matching plate and trade it out for the one that's already there, right here. Pops off like that. And then you just put it right back on just like the other one was. And line that up. Again, if you want to be more careful, you can use the Phillips head screwdriver. Now this one can be a little bit tricky because you really want it to line up exactly. And if you have an older house like we do, then they're pretty old and the new ones they made might be too big. You can still make it work though every time. You just have to play with it a little bit. Just like that. And you went from an old doorknob to a new doorknob in like 2 minutes. So I think that any of you guys can do it. I hope this tutorial helped. I also hope that it made you laugh a little bit because it was not perfect at all, but when is anything, right? This has been Sierra with Cage Free Living. Remember to like, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear anything from us. We are always open to suggestions. Hope you guys have a great day. See you next time.